welcome back to another episode of GN Tech. So, today I'm got a neat little surprise for you. It's a gaming console. It cost 400 US, and it was not hard to get, which means it's not the PS5. I'm sorry, I still haven't gotten a PS5. But what I do have, it's kind of heavy. Whew. Xbox Series X. And I'm going to unbox it today. And I also have another treat for you here. Not as heavy. Xbox Series S. Now, here's the thing. I'll only be unboxing the Series X. However, I will be giving away this Series S right here. So we'll get to that at some point in time. So I'm gonna rest this to one side because this is my focus for today. And it's kind of heavy and it's kind of big, but I gather not as big or as heavy as a PS5 would be. Which, you know, Sony, if you're out there and you're watching this, I really didn't want to unbox an Xbox, but you forced my hand. And, you know, if I have to, then I will. So let's just get this out of the way because, you know, Xbox is trash. I'm sorry, Microsoft, I didn't say that. All right. What does this say? Fastest, most powerful Xbox ever. Redefine speed with the Xbox Velocity architecture. Play thousands of games across 4 generations of Xbox, and you get unlimited access to 100 plus high quality games. Membership sold separately. It's a 1 terabyte SSD. Do you actually get the full 1 terabyte with it? No? I don't think you do. Like, I think it's like a little bit less. Maybe. I don't know. We'll check it out. But this can play on 4K up to 120 frames per second, assuming you have the television that can support that type of frame rates. Yeah. All right. Let's unbox. Let's. It's a very weird boxing setup. You'd think they make it a little bit easier to open. Okay. I'm ready for that. Okay, ready? Alright, so. Ready? Mm-hmm. Okay. Ooh. That is nice. It's actually nice, isn't it? It's nice. So, y'all can see this, right? So you got your crap up top, but this is where all the magic is. So I'm going to be selfish and turn it back to me because, you know, obviously I want to see what's happening. But this is really nice. All right. So I guess the Holy Grail. It's actually a lot heavier than I gave it credit for. I thought it was just a box that was heavy, but this is pretty heavy. Trash. Apparently the trash is pretty heavy too. Alright, so this is just some information on what the system is. Download the Xbox app, set up your console, the control. Why does the Microsoft, real question, why do your controllers need batteries? Can't you just develop a charging system like all the other regular people, i.e. Sony? think batteries are kind of outdated right now. Okay. Power your dreams. Alright. So like, which part is the top and which part is the... Oh, there's a CD tray. I'm guessing it's supposed to be like this. And I guess it can also stand like this. Okay. So this is it. So I will say, for me, positively speaking, it's not huge, which means it can actually fit on my entertainment center. I don't know what I'm going to do if and when I get a PS5. I probably have to buy a whole entire new entertainment center just to fit it. But this works for me. This is pretty dope. It's pretty dope. Alright, let me just... That ain't it, Chief. So back to this. So let's look at it in the box. Can you take this out? Oh, you can take this out. Excellent. So pretty much done with the box. Can't fathom why that top piece needed to be so heavy. But yeah, that's that. Trash. Alright, so you've got your HDMI cable, you got your power cord, you got a booklet that serves zero purpose, which is probably why it fell out of my hand, and the controller. Does it come with batteries? Or do I have to go and buy AA batteries? No, it comes with batteries. Controller. So I have played Xbox before, and I gotta say, I don't know if it's a new controller feel, but there's actually like a little bit more grip right here. You're the Xbox guy, you tell me what you think. Actually feels like it has better grip. See, that's the Xbox guy. The producer is the Xbox guy, and he says it does have better grip. He lives on Xbox. I don't know how do you play, how do you go to bed at night playing an Xbox? Like,
well, this helps with my sweaty hands.
Oh Lord. I don't think there's anything else in this. That seems to be pretty much it. Alright, so trash. More trash. And it does in fact come with your required batteries, and this seems to be Duracell? I heard that Microsoft had partnered with Duracell. Did they? Did they really? They did. So you get 2 Duracell AA batteries to go along with your controller. So, yeah. So that's that. Power cable, controller, HDMI cable, and obviously, last but certainly not least, the system itself. Alright. I don't think Duracell get in. I'll put the batteries where nobody cares about them because we really don't. Alright, there we go, there we go. So that's it. That's it, I'm done. I have seen online a few complaints about the Xbox overheating, but it could just be a case of where they probably put it. They did say you can do a thing where the air coming out of here could actually float a paper. I don't know how true that is, but I'm going to test it obviously. And I will be hooking this up later tonight because what's the point of not playing it as soon as you get it? And what I need from you guys are suggestions of games that I should play to test it. I'm already gonna go with 2K21 and possibly Call of Duty. But if there's anything else out there, that's good. And it should be able to play anything from the last 3 generations of Xbox, right? That's what the box said, unless the box lied to us. But I should be able to play any game at all. So I'm thinking like, all the usual Xbox trash like Halo and whatnot and all that jazz. But yeah, I like the fact that it's in black and everything is black. Black is always cool. But yeah, that's it. Oh, right, I forgot about this. So, I'm gonna drop a link in the description and it's gonna have the details as to how to enter the competition to win your very own Xbox Series S, which is white. White is not cool, black is always cool. But whatever, I'm giving this away for free to my viewers, and there are many ways to get entries. I think you should be able to get up to 50 entries per person into the competition, after which we'll have a random draw to decide who is the winner of this Xbox Series S. So, yeah. So that's that with that. That's that with this. Thank you again for watching another episode of GN Tech. You know it's your boy Mike. And until next time, peace.